All of us are extremely grateful and really proud that we have been a part of this Vizhinjam saga, and especially we in the government of Kerala. This is a big milestone for all of us, not just for this generation, but it's been a dream over centuries. We feel that we have actually delivered our duty here as a government. I think we are extremely proud for ensuring that we are holding, both people as well as the purpose together in this venture. So we have the most modern technology for port operations here, the first of its kind in several fields in port operations here. But along with that, we have tried to ensure that the community engagement around it and the people around the port and people in the state are also a part of this entire story. So.
As you said, you did your job. How was interaction between PM Modi and
Yeah, it was very exciting, of course. We get to interact with him once when when we are onboarded into the civil services. So we have met him once 10 years ago when I got into civil services. So this is the second time got to meet him. So I briefed him basically about the entry of women in port operations, and we have, for the first time in the country, we have women operators for the remote control of cranes. So that is the aspect I had briefed to him, and he was very happy to meet all our women crane operators here who actually hail from Vizhinjam itself.
what was his reaction? He said why? He said this is a bigger shipment than Gujarat.
He was very happy and also very curious about all our port operations and the technology that we used. He was keen to know more about how everything is being done, and he even, met with the staff members there. So.
How Vizhinjam going to change Kerala, and especially India?
Vizhinjam Port in itself, I think the direct, the revenue that we would definitely incur through ports is one thing. That is an obvious gain. So currently, with the business, with the commerce that we have had, since trial run itself, we've had around 280 ships and over 6 million TEUs that has come in here, which is around 1.2 million containers as such, which has come in here. So that really shows us, what the business space is going to be like in the upcoming years as well. But more than that, as was mentioned by Honorable Chief Minister, also that, this is actually a gift to the rest of the nation, because around 75% of transshipments in the country happens through ports outside the country. So we are losing revenue to a large extent in this field, and so we are here in Vizhinjam to actually gain all of that back, and the entire nation will be will have a remarkable position in the maritime trade map here on. So.
How Vizhinjam we can see Vizhinjam in a full shipment, in a full phase, full-fledged working?
Yeah, currently we are on a full-fledged working condition because the phase 1 construction and operations are fully on now, but we are doing capacity augmentation for the further phases, which would be completed by 2028 now. So in the next 3 years, we would see something to the tune of 10,000 crore rupees investment happening in Vizhinjam Port again. So.